Another Javelina. This time of year it's really tough to forage because everything is so dry. But they will go after grasses, they go after roots, they'll chew on cactus, certain types. If they have young, they will be very protective of them. They have a smell that's more or less like a skunk. They have very strong smell. Every once in a while I find the bones of them, most likely from a mountain lion that has gotten one. And like I mentioned in another video, they've been here about 80 years. They migrated up from Central America through Mexico and here. But they are native. They've been, they're found in South America, Central America, and have been here for probably a few million years or more. This one's probably about, 45 pounds. They're a pretty interesting animal. I can't really tell what it's eating over there. Obviously some greens, but which particular ones, I don't know. But they are really hungry this time of year because there's been so little rain, and there's just not much to really forage on. Everything is drying out again.